Hi, I'm in my garden. I associate the beginning of July with the flowering of daylilies. Daylilies, Hemerocallis in Latin. It's an Asian genus, rich in species and hybrids, very common in gardens with many hybrids and forms. And very few people know they have edible flowers. The flowers are widely eaten in China, Japan, and Korea. In Chinese, they are called huanghuacai, the vegetable of yellow flowers, but they don't have to be yellow, they're often orange. In my garden, I planted them along edges of clumps of trees and shrubs, and because they like the sun, but they are quite hardy, and they don't like cutting, so I even plant them everywhere a little bit. I also plant them at the back of the house in a row, and then when they flower, I collect flowers in larger amounts. I learned this technique in China, where people in villages often plant rows of daylilies to have more harvest. When I did field work in the Qingling Mountains in central China, in summer, people would go in the morning and collect a new crop of daylilies, because they flower only for one day, as the name says, with muar mushrooms, with the woody ear mushrooms. So the recipes often combine the two foods together, for example, with noodles or with eggs. A very important thing is to take out the inside of the flower. We only leave petals. We take out stamens and anything which is inside. So now the petals are nicely cleaned. So today we're gonna make a dish from daylily flowers. It's a Chinese recipe which I got in Qingling Mountains in central China when I was doing research, ethnobotanical research about wild food plants there. For a few years, we went from valley to valley with my Chinese colleagues, and we documented wild foods there. And daylilies grow wild there. They are usually yellow. The flowers are yellow. That's why they are called huanghuacai, means the yellow flower vegetable. Anyway, both yellow and orange flowers are okay. Remember, when you prepare the flowers, take only the petals. Take out the center of the flower. So I heated the oil, and now I add up garlic, ginger, chili peppers, and Sichuan pepper, and salt. This is the classic combination from many parts of China. And the flowers. Maybe let it heat for a while, we stir it. Now I add the egg. So the dish is ready.